What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And in this experiment we're going to cut wood with a pressure washer. All we're gonna need is a zero tip head as attachment. It's a different head to spray water, and this is the most powerful head. Water so fast that it can cut through the wood like a 2x4 thick piece of wood. Let's check this out.
Go! So guys, check this out. Look how thick this wood is. 2x4 cut it with water. How cool it is. So you can cut wood with a pressure washer if you have to. Awesome, huh?
Alright guys, that's pretty much it. What do you think about this experiment? Pretty crazy. A lot of pressure that it can cut through the wood. So when you're using pressure washer machine, you gotta know that what heads are due and be careful not to mess up your wood. And of course it's super cool experiment. It's pretty amazing what pressure and water can do. What do you guys think? Let me know in comments below, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. By the way, subscribe to Slow Mo Lab. If you haven't subscribed, leave links in description. We'll see you next time.